Organism and population. Population is a group of organisms of the same species living in a particular area at a particular time. The study of human population is called as demography. Thomas Malthus influences well-known evolutionist Darwin. His book is Origin of Species. Some Mediterranean orchids shows sexual descent. What do you mean by competitive exclusion principle or Gauss principle? Two organisms with identical ecological niche cannot coexist. That is Gauss principle or competitive exclusion principle. It was studied in Paramecium aurelium and Paramecium caudatum. Paramecium is a binucleated ciliates. Paramecium is called a slipper animalcule. Some animals undergoes protective devices, that is mimicry and camouflage. Mangifera indica is mango. They are present in an environment tropical regions. There are 1,000 varieties of mango. Mesocarp is edible. Comes under Anacardiaceae family. Kialado National Park, Bharatpur, Rajasthan, Siberian cranes comes and breed. Stenohaline organism. Organisms have a narrow range of salinity. Euryhaline organisms have a wide range of salinity. Flamingo breed Chilka Lake in Orissa. The beautiful color of flamingo is because of the food, zooplanktons, that impart a color to flamingo. Mycorrhiza is the symbiotic association of roots of pines with fungus. It helps in the absorption of phosphorus. Ecology is the study of abiotic environment with biotic environments. Ectothermic organisms undergoes basking. Whales regulate their temperature by means of countercurrent system. Xerophytic organisms can live extreme temperature. They are succulent plants. Thick cuticle, sunken stomata, camp pathway. Extensive root system. It is phylloclad, open shade, it is flat. Euphorbia cylindrical. Kangaroo rats are there. They never drink water because they are utilizing metabolic water. Lupo Henley is highly advanced. Cuckoo breed in the lake nests of crow. That is a brood parasitism. Smallest bird, hummingbird in the world found in Cuba and Peru. Smallest bird, sunbird in India. They are not found in the polar regions because small organism high metabolic rate. Aedes, Anopheles, Culex are vectors. They transmit various diseases. Larvivorous species is Gambusia. Primary hostess of malarial parasite is Plasmodium. Female Anopheles mosquito is the primary host. How to avoid competition? That is mark are the resource partition. Resource partition is their mark are the resource partitions. What do you mean by camp pathway? Carusian acid metabolic pathway. Yellowstone National Park is formed as a result of larval explosion. From that, thermophilic bacteria are isolated that contain tag DNA polymerase that is used in PCR. PCR is used for gene amplification. Parasites, endoparasites, Taenia, Fasciola have hooks and suckers. They have enormous number of their reproductive capacity is numerous. Some parasitic plants are there. Loranthus. Some animals to avoid extreme temperature, estivation, summer sleep, hibernation, winter sleep, period of arrested growth, diapause.